Dumelang. We back at it again. Day 2 ya di by-election. Ward 35. Hona jwale re na le EFF, Economic Freedom Fighter. Re na le youth. Me kopa ntate o introduce ka wena.
Good morning or good afternoon. Kalibitso ke Kagiso Nkuna, member of the EFF and the convener of the EFF Youth Command Special Branch in Ward 17. Ke tlile mona o tla support the elections tsa Ward 35.
All right, on my left hand side, the gentleman EFF. Introduce.
Good afternoon. My name is Comrade Zola Kimnosine, member of the Provincial Youth Interim Leadership Corps of the EFF Youth Command in Gauteng. So I'm here to support the by-elections.
All right, what 35 Yamaranata. All right, so can I put a tunic I Arabe?
Yes.
So what is your expectation from this by-election as youth here EFF?
My expectations are that but Babaruna are going to make a good decision, because the EFF has always been for service delivery and advocating for what the community actually needs, because the EFF is at the forefront of making sure that the people, and African people in particular, have a voice and they are heard. If you can look at Ward 35 and other neighboring wards here in Mfuleni municipality, there is a lot of poor service delivery. There is a lot of sewer. So the EFF might come out with a positive results, because our people see Milimoya EFF and what it has been doing for the past 12 years.
All right, thank you very much. All right,
that's a very crucial question, especially to the youth, because are not politically educated in terms of registrations such as body election, etc. We don't get the numbers in terms of Bacha, I think the IEC also must also pave way in terms of educating us as young people to say these are the channels that you need to follow and these are the channels that you need to do to register. In short, the ANC or the ruling party currently, those are in charge in terms of the GNU. The ANC that's here, it's no longer here. So it's very important that the young people of Ward 35, they know the seriousness of voting so that they can change the environment to make the environment conducive to Ward 35. Kibualo energy. A park. There's a park here in zone level. Go and check that park. Corner renovate or no, because why? There's by elections. Because there's MMCs that are going to come and there's leadership about 35. So we're saying to the youth, it's very important that they take charge. I know it's late, it's never late. There's local elections next year, 2026. That is when we're going to meet the IEC and all political formations such as the EFF to conscientize young people to go to the voting stations. So that is my own 2 cents, and it's very important. And we wish for such engagements, they can be done so that we see who leadership, because we come here, we make a lot of noise, but we don't deliver to our people. So it's very important for such broadcasts to actually expose those who are here to benefit out of our people. We see a lot of thugs here pretending to help the Ward 35 and want to make the youth of Ward 35 aware, to say they must be aware there are a lot of thugs that are going to steal the municipality. Influence is failing, and us as young people, we need to stand up. So thank you.
All right. Bamamedi le balate di ba de plaque bar for di ikutletse ona raw and filtered from EFF. Ha ke tshojalo ke a lebo. Signing out.
Yeah, thank you.